right, and you looked at somebody else's character there, you would see where I am. You would see where my mind is. Now, King Wonder, definitely not. Yes, somebody got it now. That one. Like 3 people said it. That last person at Sunny said it. That's the person I'd vote for. Nah, I would never. Kondile. Does Kondile mean understand? It's the only person whose name is in the alphabet. Yeah, it's the only person whose name is in the alphabet. It sounds like a letter of the alphabet, but it's actually 3 letters. That's the only person I'd vote for. And I don't care what you say. I have my reasons. I see where you're coming from. A lot of the time, people like to misinterpret. You know what they'll do? They will misinterpret what you say and then provoke you and then make you look like you're the only bad person that exists around everyone there. And then people will be praising other people for doing the wrong thing. Like, you messed up, bro. You messed up. You done the wrong thing. You violated something, and that's why we are hamba. But then now you're looking at everybody's looking at you as if you're like a legend. You're not a legend. You're not a legend.
There's one dangerous person in that house, Ashe. Guys, the people are voting for Ashe, even though they are not making noise. Do you think the Indian nation, they're going to keep quiet and say nothing? Just because they're saying nothing, it doesn't mean that they're not voting. Those people, they own many SIM cards. So they will do anything to make Ashe win. You know, when it comes to Thandeka, Liema, and Q, I do see them. They do have a strong fan base on social media, especially Thandeka and Liema. And Q, after yesterday, Liema, the letter she wrote to Q, people were voting for Q. But today, there's something Q mentioned. He said that he want to provoke Bravo B, hacking Tracy so he can see a reaction of Bravo B. Guys, we are still voting. People today might say, Q is not a nice person. Let's vote for Bravo B. Why he's doing that? So, guys, the people like Abu Ashe, they are very dangerous. Trust me, guys. You never see them coming. Yes, we see Thandeka making noise. Even base Thandeka making noise. There are people that are celebrities that are decampaigning Thandeka. There are celebrities that are decampaigning Liema, guys. So everybody is all over the place, but they don't see Ashe coming. Like Didi, she has a strong personality, guys. The problem is because now she's friends with Liema. As for Melinaye, his problem is because he's with Thandeka. I feel like I'm not seeing what they are doing in that house, guys. Yes, there are people that are voting for Didi and Mele, guys. Mele has a strong fan base. Didi has a strong fan base. I see both of them going to top 5. But as for Ashe, guys, let me tell you, that boy, he's gonna walk away with that 2 million rand, and people, they're going to be surprised to say, what is going on? What happened? How did he want that? So anyway, guys, tell me in the comment section, what do you think about this? Do you think OQ he's taking the 2 million rand? Because here Ashley is saying she's going to vote for Q. I know Q, obviously, but Ashley has numbers, has a strong fan base. People, they're going to agree with her. Anything that he says, people, they're gonna vote for that, guys. Same as Sumise, guys. Abo Naledi Apiwe, Abo Anelem daughter, Abo Kuku Kati. So people are busy in Big Brother's house, guys. They are campaigning, they de-campaign. So tell me in the comment section, who do you think is going to take the 2 million rand? So it is what it is. Tell me in the comment section what you think about it. Say, don't forget to subscribe, to like, a comment. Happy Wednesday, please.